To disable Talkback in Google Pixel 11, first of all, you will need to learn how to navigate your phone while Talkback is active. So to swipe or scroll around, you will need to use two fingers, and then you can swipe normally, but just use two fingers while touching your phone. To open apps or click on icons or buttons, you will need to double one tap on a specific button to select it, and then double tap on it to open it. And now with that knowledge, let's try to disable it. So we need to access our settings. Then we need to find Talkback, which should be in the accessibility. So scroll all the way down on the bottom of the settings page, go to accessibility right here, select the Talkback, and then there's the option to disable it. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.